If you've ever had paint bleed under your tape or struggled to get a crisp line, especially on tricky rounded drywall corners or textured surfaces, you're going to want to stick around for this one. I'll show you exactly how to apply FrogTape the right way, and I'll go beyond the basic tape pull and get into real tips that make a difference, like how to seal the edge to prevent bleed through and how to handle those rounded outside corners for a clean finish every time. And yes, we do finish things off with a satisfying tape pull because we know you love that too. Now let's slow this down so I can explain my process to you. Here we go. So on the first coat with FrogTape or on any outside corner, there's different tricks that you can use to paint this edge in order to not get any bleed through. FrogTape will react with the water in the paint and will seal up that edge. However, I don't like to take a big dip and slop it all on there. I don't want to flood that tape. I want to brush off to the side first and almost, not necessarily dry brush, but lightly go over it for this first coat. Kind of dry brushing, moving the paint up and down. That'll seal it without pushing a bunch of paint or, like I said, soaking that tape and getting in there. So that gives it a chance to react and seal up that edge. And then when I'm rolling, I can just roll right over this edge and I don't have to worry about cutting the second time. So those are the tips. Seal it down really, really well. Usually what I'll do is after I tape it, I press it down. When I come back to paint, I press it down again, make sure it's good and sealed. I don't flood it. I get my paint on there with the brush and then lightly go over it, almost dry brushing, but with enough paint to get it to flow and cover. Then when I'm rolling, I can roll right over it because it's sealed. As promised, here's the tape pull. Even though the paint has dried, if I pull the tape back on itself at an angle, it won't pull up any of the paint that I just applied. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps. Be sure to subscribe for more pro paint tips and tricks. Have a question? Let us know in the comments.